2003 Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.9 Cummins, 6-speed manual with South Bend diesel clutch, single disc clutch in it. We just went ahead and equipped this truck with a Banks exhaust brake. That's what this switch is here next to the steering wheel. And we did a 4-inch turbo back exhaust. The exhaust that was on here was kind of cut up by the previous owner and sectioned together pretty poorly and bent. So with the Banks kit, we decided to go ahead and put a new exhaust on it and take care of it from the turbo all the way out. So as you can hear, the exhaust brake is working. So this is our initial test drive on it since putting the exhaust brake on. So far, everything seems to be working just as it should. I was thoroughly pleased with the instructions that came with the Banks kit. Came with all the harnesses, the hardware, and a book of instructions on how to install it, with a series of pictures and diagrams that worked very, very well for the installation. It even has 2 wires in the harness that are supposed to plug directly into the computer, and the instructions said exactly which pins it needed to go to make everything work right. So off throttle, it immediately comes on. So of course it's supposed to come off and on around 40 miles per hour, or once you're above 40 miles per hour, that is. And it's supposed to help with warm up if you have it turned on. So we'll get back to the shop here and I'll show everything that came with the kit. So, and we'll go from there. Alright, well, the customer had come and picked up the Cummins before I got to video everything in person, but thankfully I had taken some pictures of the Banks kit. It came with the MAC valve, it came with the relay, the harness, of course the replacement elbow with the vacuum operated exhaust brake, and it also came with a new vacuum pump and the bracket to mount it, and a new serpentine belt. So overall the kit was very easy to install, following along with the instructions on it. It was very easy to do. So that's something that could be done by most anybody who had one of those trucks in their driveway. Just make sure that you do get the correct kit for the size exhaust you have on there. That's the only thing that I ran into on it, is the exhaust that was on the truck was too small for the outlet flange on the exhaust brake. But thankfully the customer was good with wanting to go ahead and upgrade his exhaust from the downpipe all the way out. So the end result on that truck was exhaust brake worked great on it, which is just what he wanted, and overall the truck runs very, very well. Thanks for watching.